Cut then update. As of 7 p.m. ngayon araw, ang Hello Love Again ay pumalo 930 million. Ayan, worldwide gross ng pinikulang Hello Love Again ng Cut din. Kaya title holder na sila ng the highest grossing Filipino film of all time. Grabe yun. Ayan, sila Alden, Catherine at Trick Cathy. Taus-pusong nagpapasalamat syempre sa sumuporta ng movie nila. And post pa nga ng ABS-CBN yun. Just in 10 days, kinikita ng Hello Love Again movie ng Kaden. Ito pa nga yung group picture ng Kaden. And during an Asian World Film Festival. And congrats din kay Catherine. Sa post ni John B. Nakatanggap siya ng award na Snow Leopard Rising Star Award. Grabe, mula ng blessing ang Kathleen. Ito naman, behind the scene ni Aden for BDO Auto Loan. Sa post na Sparkle BMA Works. Mula ng blessing ang Kathleen. Ang ganyang kalakas ng Kathleen. Gwapo ng model ng BDO BDO, we find wigs. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Victory Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. Let's go.